this video there are 20 MCQs with their answers, which is important for all kind of competitive exam for physiotherapy. Question number 61. In context of outcome measures, the degree to which an outcome measure is measuring what is purposed to measure is called as option A. Stability, option B. Reliability, option C. Validity, option D. Suitability. And the correct answer is option C. Validity. Question number 62. Energy required to change the state of a substance is called as option A. Kinetic energy, option B. Potential energy, option C. Latent heat, option D. Chemical energy. And the correct answer is option C. Latent heat. Question number 63. The purpose of an inspiratory hold with an incentive spirometer is to option A. Prevent early closure of the alveoli, option B. Increase the intrapleural pressure, option C. Increase the functional residual capacity, option D. Facilitate collateral ventilation to occur in the alveoli. And the correct answer is option D. Facilitate collateral ventilation to occur in the alveoli. Question number 64. When ice is applied to a body part, the initial reaction is option A. Increase in blood pressure, option B. Decrease in blood pressure, option C. Vasoconstriction, option D. Vasodilatation. And the correct answer is option C. Vasoconstriction. Question number 65. Out of the following heart defects, which one is cyanotic? Option A. PDA, option B. VSD, option C. ASD, option D. TOF. And the correct answer is option D. TOF. Question number 66. Which law states that for electromagnetic waves to have an effect on the tissues, they must be absorbed? Option A. Joule's law, option B. Grother's law, option C. Snell's law, option D. None of the above. And the correct answer is option B. Grother's law. Question number 67. Percussion should not be used in an untreated case of option A. Bronchitis, option B. Bronchiectasis, option C. Pneumothorax, option D. Aspiration pneumonia. And the correct answer is option C. Pneumothorax. Question number 68. Scar tissue can be stretched and loosened by option A. Hacking, option B. Shaking, option C. Effleurage, option D. Friction. The correct answer is option D, friction. Question number 69. Which one of this is not a characteristic behavior in chronic pain syndrome? Option A, doctor shopping. Option B, feeling better with any electrotherapeutic agents. Option C, dependency on healthcare system for multiple medical problems. Option D, passive dependent personality traits. And correct answer is option B, feeling better with any electrotherapeutic agents. Question number 70. Pulmonary function test would usually show a mixed picture of restrictive and obstructive ventilator dysfunction in case of option A, bronchial asthma. Option B, bronchiectasis. Option C, pulmonary fibrosis. Option D, cryptogenic fibrosing alveolitis. And the correct answer is option B, bronchiectasis. Question number 71. While running the phase of normal gait cycle that disappears is option A, stance. Option B, swing. Option C, double support. Option D, pre-swing. And the correct answer is option C, double support. Question number 72. Which type of force results into spiral fracture? Option A, bending force. B, twisting force. Option C, straight pulling force. D, crushing force. The answer is option B, twisting force. Question number 73. The following electrotherapeutic agent will not be chosen in case of metal in the tissues. Option A, microwave diathermy. Option B, cold packs. Option C, hot packs. Option D, contrast bath. And the correct answer is option A, microwave diathermy. Question number 74. Impairment is defined as option A, loss of psychological, physiological or anatomical structure or function in a human being. Option B, lack of ability to perform an activity considered to be normal for a human being. Option C, inability to perform the family and social role. Option D, all of the above. And the answer is option A, loss of psychological, physiological or anatomical structure or function in a human being. Question number 75. The progression of E2 dose in UVR therapy is option A, 25%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 75%. Option D, 100%. And the correct answer is option B, 50%. Question number 76. All are signs and symptoms of reflex sympathetic dystrophy in the acute stage except option A, Peterball cross edema. Option B, severe pain. Option C, color changes. Option D, stiffness. And the answer is option D, stiffness. Question number 77. Which one of this test is not used for balance test? Option A, the Berg balance test. Option B, performance oriented mobility assessment. Option C, functional independence measure. Option D, time up and go test. And the correct answer is option C, functional independence measure. Question number 78. The red pressure product is linearly correlated with option E, pacing of the heart. Option B, myocardial O2 demand. Option C, cardiac diastole. Option D, none of the above. And the answer is option B, myocardial O2 demand. Question number 79. Identify the basic gait determinant from the following. Option A, arm swing. Option B, shoulder rotation. Option C, pelvic rotation. Option D, trunk flexion and extension. And the answer is option C, pelvic rotation. Question number 80. Positive Otto-Lani sign is present in option E, CDH. Option B, CTV. Option C, Erb's palsy. Option D, arthrogryposis. And the correct answer is option A, CDH.